Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can set up recurring sales invoices on Bokio accounting software. To create a recurring invoices or set up recurring invoices, we need to go to invoicing section, and there is a subsection called recurring invoices. To create new recurring invoice, click on new recurring invoice, and here scroll to top, and we need to select a customer or create a new customer. In my case, it will be a customer from my drop-down list. Now I need to add the details of this recurring invoice, so click on add new row, and either you can create a new item or what we want to add to list, or from your drop-down list you can select the ones which you have already allocated. So in my case I will have subscription monthly, and I can amend price if I wish to, so for example £250, and I can save as item for future references. Okay, add to invoice, and subscription monthly has been added there. I can add a text. Also, if I use time tracking, I can add from my time tracking options as well. Additional information can be added, for example customer order reference, project reference, or even contract reference if you wish to, plus attached files, for example like contract. Now we need to set up terms, so that is mean frequency. Here we need to select date of next invoice, so in my case date of next invoice is 1st of September. And frequency, there is 4 options from which you can select, either weekly on Thursday, monthly on date number 1 because it's 1st of September, quarterly on 1st, or annually on 1st September. In my case it will be monthly on 1st of September, starting 1st of September, but it will be monthly on date number 1. Now payment methods is provided there. I can save as a draft, preview as PDF, and create recurring invoice. Now this recurring invoice is active. Under 3 dots we have option to edit recurring invoice, copy recurring invoice, or actually stop this recurring invoice. If I go back to recurring invoices, I can see this recurring invoice has been set up there. So this is a way how you can set up recurring invoices on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.